A mock drill simulating an airstrike by enemy forces was successfully conducted in Shillong on Tuesday evening under the supervision of the state government and in coordination with the Civil Defence and Home Guards. As part of the exercise, a blackout was enforced across households from 6:30 to 6:32 p.m. to educate the public on the proper response during an actual air raid situation. Although the sirens were reportedly not audible in several parts of the city, residents largely complied with the blackout and followed the instructions issued by authorities. The drill aimed to raise public awareness and preparedness in the event of a real aerial attack.